Hey, Laura. I think I saw what you were talking about the Mindset Learning Project. Link's not working, so I thought I'd just record as I fix this. Um, do you remember that we had to go in and set each of the links? This must be an old one because they stay set in my course. So just um, highlight that and click on link. This should do it. Insert quick link and go to the quiz. Mindset Learning Project Activity 1, probably down at the end. And that should do it. And then do the same for the second one and so forth. And then I'm going to check something else real quick after you do that. Let me do this one. Then I'll. Okay. So that's what to do there. And then I'm going to make sure that did its thing and make sure the other links are good. So once you go into the quiz, if you'll click on this right here, then I'm just going to double check again. Let me go back and show you where. So under the title down at the bottom of, once you go into the quiz itself, if you'll click on this and then click on that link to make sure, and make sure that links out to where it's supposed to be. And it should. Of course, at any time, students can get to it by going to quizzes anyway, but I just wanted to show you how to redo that. I hope that helps. Thanks.